Before this video begins, major announcement, guys. The giveaway is ending. You could win a Mustang GT. There is just 2 weeks left as of the recording time of this video, so it ends on July 31st. Get entered today. All you gotta do is go on speedphenom.com. You'll find multiple ways to get entered. You'll find a link floating on the screen right now or in the description down below. This is so exciting because the giveaway period is finally coming to a close. I can't believe it. And for this promotional end, we have a mystery multiplier starting from 300 times entries, and you can go from that all the way up to 500 times, 1,000 times. The mystery multiplier is so much fun. It all depends on what products you pick up on the website and when you pick it up. So make sure to go on speedphenom.com and get entered today. If you find something you like and you grab it, you actually automatically get entered to win. It's super cool. It's super cool. The window is closing. This is your final chance. So make sure to go on speedphenom.com and get entered today to win. You could take home a Ford Mustang GT. I just got reached out to, and someone really shared a intriguing idea that Chevrolet really doesn't have a lap time to share right now because it's not what they want. This is an important subject because two things can be happening right now. The first thing is they're working on some grand marketing material, some launch or mini documentary, kind of like Ford showcasing that they put down the new fastest American lap time at the Nurburgring. Or the second thing is they don't know how to operate or act right now, because with the lap time, if it's not faster than the Mustang GTD, what are the headlines? Right? Think about this. What are the headlines? Are the headlines, we have the second fastest American car on the Nurburgring, slower than the Ford Mustang? Is it, we have the fastest American car ever on the Nurburgring? I think that's the car that they would want to be the fastest car ever there, but obviously that bar is way too high. If it is just plainly like the fastest American car, that could be achievable. I think that is the highest likelihood of being true in terms of what they want. We read a quote just the other day about how the chief engineer, I believe, for the ZR1 was sharing how they really would love to have that accolade of being the fastest American car on the Nürburgring. They could do it. If they had the lap time, why not just share it? What is going on right now behind the scenes? Is it not as good as people have been expecting? It really can go either way. It really could go either way. So I just wanted to throw that out there because I'm getting a lot of comments regarding this. If they had a good lap time, they would share it. I know for me personally, whenever we put down a fast lap or a record time, I'm like jumping up and down, excited about sharing it, and I get it up within like a week. If you're Chevy, you have to think about all the, I don't want to say bean counters, but all of the different legal offices and marketing departments and all these personnel you have to go through. How long would that take to showcase a verified lap time? There's one other variable people don't consider. When you go out there to the Nürburgring and put down a lap time, a record time, there's so much that can go wrong in terms of the variables here. The variables of track surface conditions. Is it too damp? Is it dry enough? Is it warm enough? Is it cold enough? These all play into effect. So when you consider all these variables of having a track that could be perfect on one side of the track, then horrible on the next, or perfect and bad, then it cycles like that the whole time, where could you really put a car? You have to have a home base there to have a perfect time, I would say. It makes it much more difficult for brands like Chevy, brands like Ford, and more to put down a lap time. I really would love to see Dodge get into this. Yes, Dodge, that Dodge that made the Viper ACR, because the Viper ACR was just mega. That car was fantastic. Let me pull it up right here in front of us on the main screen. The Viper ACR was just insane. Look at it right here. We did a pretty fun review of this vehicle a few years ago. Our road test got some good hits on it. It was pretty cool because when we did our road test, we pulled out those fender louver blades, as you can see right here, and that really helps with maximizing front end downforce right here. The blades are back in. It looks good for styling concerns for sure, but look how wild that car visibly just sits. It doesn't look like anything else, does it? It looks crazy. It looks mean. I remember this thing coming out, and it was one of my favorite cars. And when you see it on the track, especially when it looks like that with the livery, it's just wild. I would love, absolutely love to see Dodge bring back this vehicle. That would be perfect. Let me know, guys, what do you think? Would you love to see the Viper ACR back? How much money is this going for these days? Viper ACR, Kelly Blue Book, 175 grand. It's gotta be going for more money than that. For sale right here. Let's see what it says. $280,000 for a Viper ACR. $300,000, $400,000 for this one. That's crazy. Even regular Vipers are going for well over $100,000. So if we can get Dodge out there too, alongside Ford and Chevy, then we can really see who is the best at the Nurburgring. Real quickly, guys, in every video we do have to mention that we are at Speed Phenom, filling the recording studio for this podcast episode, and that means this is our home base that you've probably seen footage of before in the past. Make sure to come out here if you have a new vehicle coming in, a new truck, sports car, anything like the new ZR1, for example, and we would love to take care of you by putting paint protection film on it to shield against any rock chips or swirls you might get when driving onto the streets. It's a clear shield, clear film that goes over your vehicle to protect it when it comes to any external damages. Plus, we offer windshield protection, ceramic coating, window tinting, and more. So we are the one-stop shop to reach out to when you need anything for your vehicle. So really upkeep its visual appearance and protect it. So make sure to give us a call at 760-496-8607. We'd love to take care of you. This place was started to bring back to all of our viewers who love to track or just enjoy their cars on the street or the off-road. Let me know, what do you guys think? The Viper ACR, if they brought that car back, that would be incredible, wouldn't it? I mean, I have it loaded up on my screen right now. I'm looking at it. I think it's just such a cool car. It really is. The lap times that we saw at that vehicle, it was like the fastest car you could really get from an American brand for a couple of years for being a track car. They had all these records put down with it. It was nice to see. I love seeing that kind of stuff. So I'm happy that Chevy and these other brands are going out there and doing it. Chevy may not even have a lap time for the Nürburgring. And if they don't, that would make sense on why we haven't seen anything yet. They could be waiting to come back, because why would they want to come out with a headline that is, it's slower than a Ford Mustang, right? It's definitely not what they want. They want to beat the Mustang. Have they? And if they did, wouldn't they tell us by now? Don't forget to get entered into the giveaway. Go to speedphenom.com. You'll find a link down below. This is your final chance. Get entered today. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. It really helps me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. I'll see you in the next episode.